Hi, Bhuvan. I am Chatura. I am from Mahatara. I have 3 years experience in tourism industry. If you came to Sri Lanka, you can visit Nuvareliya, Sigiriya, Ella, and Gala. And Ella have most popular train ride in the world. And you can try wildlife. You can go to Yala, Vilpattu. If you choose me as a driver, I can pick you airport and travel in the country, and I can drop you airport.